You guys remember this good splice that I made? I heard what some of you guys said down in the comments about the chafe on the rope to chain splice that I did. What do you think? I'll touch up these when I get my hot knife. I don't have it on me right now. I also seized the opportunity of doing the splicing task, and we are painting sections off to mark lengths of the chain so you know how much chain is out. Right now I painted it with a primer, this primer first, so that the paint stays on. There we go. What do you think of the colors, huh? Oh, ah. I took all your advice and I redid the anchor road with this gutter ring. No chafe going on. And after doing this splice, I seem to have gone splice crazy, and I took an old anchor road, chopped it up into 3 pieces, and now I have 3 eye splices and 3 more lines. So I've really gotten some practice with these eye splices and back splices. Putting on seizing wire is the most frustrating experience. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, an anchor setup. We got new folding seats from Splicing, who makes the best folding seats in the biz. Some nice folding seats. You could lay flat like this if you wanted to, or you could even just sit like this, flat like that, or fold it up like this, and boom. We used to have folding seats like these, and the main problem with these folding seats is how uncomfortable they are because of the support bar that keeps the folding mechanism there. Sticks into your back. But these seats are so much more comfy. Can't even feel the bar. The bar seems to go along the sides of the seat and not directly through my back, so it's definitely really nice. Cockpit has gotten a severe upgrade. We now have cockpit seats. So Splicing was nice enough to send us these custom-made Splicing seats. If you would like your own custom-made Splicing, we have a discount code. So if you want some of the comfiest cockpit cushions, portable folding cushions, use our discount code WickedSalty10 on sportaseat.com. On the Splicing website when you check out. You can get your Splicing and you can get your own custom-made monogram as well, and you can pick out many different color seats. So excited.
It's all wet.
Gotta pump it out.
That's your job.
made it to the boat and we're gonna do our task. So today we're gonna take off these doors.
Rinky-dink doors.
Yeah, these doors are kind of annoying because mainly when you're sailing, you either have it open or closed.
Watch.
So
Look at me relaxing and enjoying my life.
yeah, so Kate's there and then I need to go below and I smack her in the face every single time. It's like, let's say Kate was sleeping because it was a long day. Smack.
It's just a little.
You're freely, yeah, you're freely going about. You're also coming here to and fro, and then it's blocking all your lines and stuff. It's really just kind of annoying. And it's rinky-dink too. And this broke a couple times. So today we're gonna replace it with the companionway slats that we have.
Ew.
Oh,
Ew.
revealed. Oh, there's bugs in there too.
It's like an ecosystem.
So the companionway got a whole lot more roomier.
It's large.
Now we just gotta clean out all this crud that's accumulated.
The crud cleaning will commence now.
Alright, so the engine has been warmed up and now I'm gonna take my trusty oil. Does anyone have a... How do you store your oil kits without getting it all grungy everywhere? What do you guys think about dry fitting an oil filter? Do you pre-fill the oil filter before screwing it on? Or do you leave it dry and just obviously lubricate the O-ring and the seal? I've heard you can dry fit an oil filter because it already has a ton of oil already in the engine because it's been run so many times. But just want to know what you guys are doing. Obviously I'm erring on the side of caution and I'm just filling it up and then using that to lubricate it. Hopefully it doesn't make a mess because it's a horizontal screw-in one, but probably still will anyways. Just let me know what you guys do and what you guys think about it. And while I'm doing the boring stuff, Kate's doing a lot more fun stuff on Instagram. So give her a follow so you don't have to just see this boring engine work.
Undertaking,